Me and my will pull LD back.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Wow. Nice. So can you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
I'm Austin Boone, got 3 G2 Genesys 15s on 2 cab 4500s, split coils, and then I got 4 Def Punch Neo 6.5s on a Mclaren 1200.4, Cyber 12K, and 2 alternators under the hood.
What size alts?
1 stock and 1 390.
Okay. Who built the box?
I did.
Very nice. I like it, man.
Yeah, me and my buddy.
Have you done any kind of tuning on it or testing yet?
Literally, I built it and built it like a week before a show I had local, and I did a 55 straight out of the gate on 4,000 watts.
You happy with it?
Oh yeah.
And you got your back seats and you showcase it. I like it.
I did have Sundown X's in there, but I took them out and put these in here.
Well, how thick is your plexi in the back?
3/4.
3/4?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Oh, this strip club anthem, nigga, what's up?
Young Money.
Yeah. Me and my will pull LD back. Them AMG 63s. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, I tell break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck it up,
I made love to it. First I had to tip her $20,000. She said I'm that nigga. I said I'm that bitch. I already know it. I'm a bad boy. They say I'm a storm. VVS is in my trunk. That's a Rockefeller chain. I was saying break the home. Check was doing dang. I'm in for leave, child. I got to take on. Got to dump it with me. She picked up the shit on. You know, put it up. She ain't make a man. I tell them bring it up, bring it down, make it,
Pulled out the big Lamborghini, just a race with China, the race to China, just a race in China. Bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China, for China, bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, got the chip, bust it down, throw your goofy down, it's the funniest, the finest, I'm having time, don't get tired, I'ma bust it open, bust the book at the time, I don't date honey, tsunami. All my niggas wifey, cause they get that good punani. I think he needs the money. I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt and a smile with the Ronnie. Rep queen like a green ass rep. And that ass with me and y'all. Make the run me my dog. This game is breathing like the weight in the cow. Name is Nikki, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, rake it up.
I made love to a stripper. First I had to tip her. I think he needs the money. I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt and the smile or the Ronnie. Rep queen like some green ass butt. And then you can ask me and y'all. Make the run my dog. This game is freezing like the week.
Break it down. Big.
Good bandwidth. I like how you showed me all three stages. So you have the windows up, windows down, half windows up, and you can see the bandwidth.
Yeah, it plays good.
Nice. And you got your back seats to play 4 people at once.
Yes,
I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Austin.
Austin. Thanks, Austin, man.
Thank you,
Appreciate
bro.
the demo, man.
Yep.